you collect a lot of seeds from your garden like I do? I give a lot of seeds away at Christmas time. It's very fun. So what I wanted this year is I wanted to develop a seed packet that I could give away the seeds so they would know who gave it to them. In the garden, Sue, that's me. And then on the back, I have some instructions about what the name is, what the date that I went ahead and packed it, and about how many seeds are in it. And then here's my little address here. So what I did is I went on Canva. This is not an advertisement for Canva, but I made my own seed template up, and then I went ahead and cut it out. And as you cut it out, it looks more like this. And then you just glue the edges together, and voila, I have a seed packet. If you don't feel like going through all the work of making these templates yourself, I do have a link in my bio, and I have an Etsy store that I have some generic seed packets. You can download them very cheaply and print them out, and then you can make your own seed packets.